Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPad model and iOS version so the VPN app will be compatible. Once done, open the App Store and search the VPN name you picked. Tap Get or Buy and authenticate with your Apple ID. Make sure you allow downloads and have payment ready if it's a subscription. While installing, grant any requested permissions, notifications, and network extensions so the app can create a VPN profile. This sets you up to configure the service immediately after install. You sign into the VPN app with your account or quickly create one if needed, and follow the in-app setup prompts. When iOS asks to add a VPN configuration, tap Allow and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. This lets the app manage connections system-wide. Next, choose a server region based on speed or content access, and enable features like the kill switch or automatic reconnect for reliability. Make sure you understand any split tunneling options before applying. You tap Connect in the VPN app and watch for the active VPN icon at the top right to confirm a live tunnel. Once connected, test access by visiting a geo-blocked site or checking your IP in a site. This proves the VPN is working. If it fails, switch servers, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, or restart the iPad. These quick actions clear networking issues. If problems persist, change the protocol to WireGuard or IKEv2 in settings and re-enter credentials. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.